Turkey's procurement and defense authorities have launched a program designed to increase the structural life of the country's existing fleet of F-16 Block 30 jets from 8,000 flight hours to 12,000, the country's top procurement official announced. Ismail Demir, who leads the Presidency of Defense Industries, wrote in a February 2 tweet that the comprehensive upgrade program would involve revisions, renewals, replacements, and body reinforcement. The upgrades will cover 1,200 to 1,500 parts per aircraft, Demir said. Çağlar Kırç, a Turkish defense analyst, said the upgrade program indicates Turkey's intention to keep the F-16S as its main aerial firepower until the country completes work on its planned indigenous fighter jet. In addition to the F-16S, armed and unarmed drones could be used to support, particularly, anti-terror missions, Kırç said. Turkey has been seeking options for a new generation fighter after it was suspended from the American-led, multinational Joint Strike Fighter program that builds the F-35 Lightning II. Turkish aerospace industries will perform the structural upgrades for the F-16S as part of an ongoing upgrade program. TAI is currently building 30 new F-16 Block 50+ aircraft for the Turkish Air Force and is running an upgrade program covering more than 160 F-16 Block 30/40/50 aircraft. Turkey's indigenous fighter program, dubbed TFX, or MMU in its Turkish acronym, has been crawling over the past years due to technological failures and issues with know-how transfers. Turkish engineers must first select an engine for the planned aircraft before finalizing the design phase. TAI has been in talks with British engine maker Rolls-Royce for engine know-how and co-production, but a final contract has yet to emerge.